Okay, so I'm going to get into another video right now. So this is going to be a trade for 2,250 in profit. So I had a return of about 2.7. This trade happened on the 19th. So I'm just going to show you my overview for March the 19th. I ended up the day in just about 19. So it could be possible that the 19th and the 20th. So I took it on the 19th and I closed it on the 20th. That's why it registers as for the 20th year. But yeah, that's the trade that I'm looking into. So I kept this on for 7 hours. Took it at 22, closed it at 5 a.m., almost 6 a.m. in the morning. So consider it an overnight trade. Now, typically the markets don't really move too much dramatically overnight. In this case, it did bounce down, and I kind of closed it out here. Why did I close it out there? I think I used the previous support to predict that it may just bounce back. And yeah, it did bounce back and then fell down more. But this was good enough for me given the time, given it was overnight. This would be considered to be a pullback trade because I took it right at that edge of that curve. So I would look at the 1 hour and say, which pullback would this be? First pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback. Am I got it right? So it broke down so this would be the first pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback, fifth pullback. So yeah, so this would be the fourth pullback. Now, typically, 3 should be the maximum number of pullbacks that you should take. However, sometimes on rare occasions, especially if the market is trending down strong, it may make sense to take on a fourth or a fifth pullback as well. But it has less probability of success. So keep that in mind as you take it. So I would put this as an A plus even or an A trade. Yeah, it was premature exit, but I would still say it was good enough for the risk to reward ratios. So yeah, let's go into the rest of this this trade. So pullback, I'm gonna now measure the levels of where I took it. Now, I would say out of like the last 40 trades that I journaled, this is the few trades that I actually got that were still considered to be pullbacks. Like a lot of my setups have been exhaustion and right side of the V, which is not a good place to keep or have a majority of your trades. So the pullback was the VWAP on the 1 hour. So I'm going to just write it down here, 1 hour underscore pullback. And I would put this as I don't have it. So 1 hour PB underscore VWAP. But where else would I? So yeah, it was at the VWAP. What else can I record? So 5-minute, where did it actually score? 5-minute was chop, is what I would call it. Minute underscore pullback underscore chop. So that basically tells me that my trade was not the most ideal to take at that time when I actually triggered it. There was still like, it could have gone up, it could have gone down. It was really choppy at the time that I was taking it. But it was at a good level. Okay, what else what are the moving averages? So the moving averages crossover. The entry on the 5-minute was a chop. I don't want to say that it wasn't.